Mastering group discussions and debates. Enhance your active listening and responding skills. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into the world of group discussions and debates. Group discussions can be a powerful tool for English language learning, as they require you to practice both your listening and speaking skills. In debates, you'll also get the chance to sharpen your argumentative skills in English. In this video, we'll focus on active listening and responding techniques to help you excel in these settings. Group discussions and debates are interactive, dynamic, and often challenging situations. They're not just about speaking, but also about actively listening. When you listen actively, you're not just hearing the words. You're also picking up on the speaker's emotions, understanding their arguments, and preparing thoughtful responses. It's a critical skill in English language learning and life in general. To be an active listener, you should 1. Pay attention. Give the speaker your undivided attention. Let your body language show that you're engaged. 2. Show that you're listening. Nod occasionally, use facial expressions, and encourage the speaker with small verbal comments like, yes, or, aha. 3. Provide feedback. Reflect on what has been said by paraphrasing. So, what you're saying is, 4. Defer judgment. Allow the speaker to finish their point before you start formulating your response. 5. Respond appropriately. Be candid, open, and respectful in your response. Now that we've covered active listening, let's look at some techniques for responding in group discussions and debates. 1. Acknowledge the previous speaker's point. Show that you've been actively listening by briefly summarizing their main points before you offer your perspective. 2. State your points clearly. Be concise and to the point. Avoid unnecessary jargon. 3. Use evidence to support your points. This could be statistics, examples, or any other relevant information that supports your argument. 4. Be respectful. Even when you disagree, it's important to express your counterpoints in a respectful manner. 5. Use persuasive language. But remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. The best way to improve your active listening and responding skills is through practice. Engage in group discussions and debates as much as possible. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Group discussions and debates can be a fantastic way to boost your English language skills. Remember to focus on active listening, respond effectively, and most importantly, don't be afraid to express your thoughts and ideas. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master at group discussions and debates in no time. Happy learning!